quickly, we're gonna show you how to make this one today. Medium-sized pot on the cooker. We put a medium-sized pot, which we are going to use. All right. So we are saying a lot of people are taking sleeping pill, and we are encouraging them not to do it. We're going to put 1 cup of water, hot water. Lovely. So I'm cutting up the banana. Right. I'm just cutting up some ripe banana peel to use inside of it. So we're going to put the banana peel in the water like this. Lovely. So now we are going to put some cinnamon in the water. So this is some cinnamon we are going to put in the water, roughly about a teaspoon of cinnamon. Put a little bit more cinnamon powder, a little bit more. Give it a mix. This is another cup of tea, which is very effective and powerful for you guys to drink at home. Excellent. So you guys can see that's the ripe banana peel skim tea with cinnamon. The beautiful thing is not only just for helping you to sleep, but it's also very good to detox the body. And remember to remove the skin. You don't have to, and just remember to wash it. Very powerful, very good. It's very powerful and also very effective. Lots of people taking sleeping pill. This one is very good for the sleeping pill right here. As you guys can see, ripe banana peel. make it boil. Once it boils, we're gonna take it off the heat. Alright. Yeah. See how it look? Really nice. Take it off the heat. Excellent. So, as you guys can see, it is a very unique recipe for you guys to use. At home. All right. So I'm introducing you to this on an amazing credible recipe, which is something totally different from every other recipe which I normally use. Yeah. So look at that. Fantastic. Let's put them out and share it out. Excellent. All right. Yeah, man. So this is it. We're gonna use some honey to sweeten it. All right. Yeah, honey to sweeten it. I might put some more honey and give it a sweeten. So this is what you want to drink before you go to bed at night. All right, guys. So drink this 15 minutes before bed and you will see the amazing benefit which is going to come out for you guys. All right, now quick update on the book From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo Secret Recipes to Success. It is available on Amazon. Go over to get yourself a copy of my book. All right, yeah, man. The book is available on Amazon, guys. So get yourself one. We will be giving you more tips and more ideas on this and an amazing recipe. Have a beautiful one and I'll see you next time. Bye bye for now.